to make a startup video of the exhaust sound of this motorcycle so you can understand and hear it factory. Okay, so we have HP wheels, forged wheels in the front and in the rear. Okay, get passenger seat here, good bags. Right, and then let's fire up this bike so you can hear it with 9,457 miles on the odometer. Right. Very nice sound for an s1000rr factory exhaust. Sounds amazing. Sounds big. Really sounds big. Right. Provide s1000rr. Some reps. About 4,000 RPM. This kicks really good. This is a good sound motorcycle, guys. So as you can see, bike is in pristine condition. Whew, sounds amazing. Sounds great and sounds big for a 2016 BMW S1000rr.